to another Kinder Egg unboxing. Is it unboxing or is it, or I'm just cracking the eggs? So anyway, these are Kinder Joy Go Wild. So Kinder Joy Go Wild. They're animal themed. So let's see what we have in these four. So it looks like we start out with a tiger. Okay, so it's a shootout tiger. It's got the little targets that you shoot. There's 3 targets, and it looks like you slide him in like that. And he doesn't lock in or anything. He just kind of sits there. You got to hold it, and then you got to pull this back and slap him on the bottom, and he goes flying out at the target. Not a bad white tiger, but he doesn't hold in, so it's hard to do. But I got monster fingers. It's not made for me. So, and as always, there is the QR code so that you can go online, and there are things. There's online play, which is pretty neat. So that off to the side, and we will open number 2. And now we got, it looks like a panther that does the same thing. It's just his tail is different, and he's got different targets. And as always, the QR code for online play. So we just put the targets all together, because I mean, they just reversed the mold to get a panther. So let's see what's on number 3. Number 3's got a lot more parts. It looks like we got us a turtle. Neat. Alright, so we'll take that little rubber band out. Oh, okay. I think nope, I was doing it wrong. Goes there. Goes there. And then we carefully put the rubber band over him. Clip him together. And so if you squeeze his back legs, they open and close like a turtle. So pretty neat little turtle. He's got some detailing on the shells, little mouths open. So there we go. If you're into turtles, and like I say, QR code for online stuff, probably games. It's free. Well, it comes, I mean, I guess it's not really free. You're kind of paying for it with the cost of the Kinder Egg, Kinder Joy, whatever. And this one looks like we got us an owl. And there goes my phone again. And it looks like, yeah, we got an owl. Ooh, he's got some parts. Trying to figure this thing out. Oh, this goes inside. Mr. Owl. Okay. Because that's his feet. And that's his arms. And that's his beak. Squeeze them together there. And you put his wings. Oh, it's not an owl, it's a bird with a baby bird. Oh. So he can cover his eyes. But I think you're supposed to put the baby bird in front of him, and then he holds. It's a mama bird with a baby bird. There we go. So that is it. There's the QR code for that one. So we got a tiger, a panther, a sea turtle, and a mama bird. Does it actually tell you? It doesn't actually tell you what the bird is. Maybe if you go online to the app, it'll tell you what kind of bird it is. But there we have it. Kinder Egg unboxing. And this one is Go Wild. So if your little one is into animals, you'll get animals. So I think this one probably my favorite. I think that's the cutest. Probably because I just got birds. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.